If we talk about modern applications, why data dominates? Let us understand that. Now, see, data has inertia. Now, what it means is that data has inertia means whatever the data is getting generated, it is getting stored somewhere. Data is persistent and the code is volatile. So, data has inertia and code is volatile. Means we keep on executing the code and we keep on storing the data. So, data persists, code executes. Now, refactoring the code is very easy. We can refactor the code in weeks. But making changes in the database schema or where we are storing data is very tough because schema decisions are long term commitments. So, data inertia means data is carried for decades, and code volatility means code can be refactored in weeks. Now, the idea is that for data, it's long term schema commitment because see, the idea is that once the data is stored, once the schema is designed, early design mistakes become expensive. It becomes permanent liabilities because if there is some mistake in the schema and if huge data is stored, then it will be a headache. Now, what this slide is about, here we are trying to understand why data dominate more system complexity. Like if we talk about data complexity or if we talk about modern system complexity because of data and because of code. So for modern systems, managing data is a very big headache rather than managing code. And the biggest reason for that is, see, very easily we can refactor the code. We can change the logic to a very great extent. But managing data is very complex because we have to consider decades of data. So the dimensions of data complexity, if we consider the scale of data, so the data we deal, that the modern applications, they deal at the global scale and distribution. So modern applications, they manage billions of records across multiple machines, regions, and continents. Managing data means concurrency and failure resilience. So thousands of simultaneous users, they're trying to access the data while preventing data corruption during partial failures. So these are the challenges which makes modern systems so complex. Temporal coexistence. Now we live in a world of real-time systems. So modern systems must ensure, and also we have to ensure that old data format remain compatible with the new code. So these are some factors which introduce complexity in the modern systems. So these factors are like the dimensions of data complexity. So if I talk about data, so now the idea is that it's very clear to us that modern system complexity is more because of data and not because of code. Code complexity we can very easily handle, but data complexity is something which is a very big challenge to handle. And modern system complexity is dominated by the data and not by the code. And why is it so? Because nowadays the modern applications, the modern systems, they are global in scale. The global scale and distribution, they have to manage big data. Concurrency and failure resilience becomes a very big challenge because thousands or even millions of users might be accessing, they're trying to access the same record. So data corruption we have to prevent. And failure resilience, if a node fails, we should not, we should handle the failure. System should keep on running. And temporal coexistence, like new technologies emerging, so the old data should be compatible with the new code, with the new technologies. So these are the data complexities we are talking about. And data intensive applications have to deal with all this, and that's why it's very important for us when we are designing data intensive applications. We have to consider all these factors.